What are the distinct sound patterns for smoke and carbon monoxide alarms? Imagine hearing a sound that could save your life. Different alarms use unique patterns of beeps to tell you what danger is near. Understanding these sounds helps you respond quickly and safely. Smoke alarms usually make a pattern of 3 loud, sharp beeps in a row. These beeps repeat over and over until the smoke clears or you turn off the alarm. The sound is high-pitched and very noticeable, designed to wake you up if you're sleeping. It signals that there is fire or smoke in your home, so you need to evacuate immediately. Carbon monoxide alarms, however, sound a different pattern. They beep for quick times, then pause and repeat. This pattern alerts you to dangerous levels of carbon monoxide gas, which is invisible and odorless but can be deadly. The 4-beep pattern is distinct, so you know it's not fire but a silent gas that needs urgent attention. Both alarms can also give other signals. For example, a single chirp every minute usually means the battery is low. If you hear multiple chirps or beeps per minute, it could mean the alarm is malfunctioning or has reached the end of its life. Some combined smoke and carbon monoxide alarms use these patterns to tell you what's happening. Recognizing these sounds is vital for fire safety and firefighter response. If you hear the 3-beep pattern, evacuate immediately because of fire or smoke. If you hear the 4 quick beeps, get outside and call emergency services because of carbon monoxide. Regularly testing your alarms and replacing batteries or units ensures these sounds will alert you when needed. Proper installation and maintenance of these alarms are key to keeping your home safe. Knowing what each pattern means can make all the difference in an emergency. Always stay alert to these sounds and act quickly to protect yourself and your loved ones.